Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F919A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Alloy wheels, looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spraying in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.